If you're looking to upload documents for clients to complete in SuiteDash, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll show you how to do it seamlessly, step by step, and give you a few tips along the way to make your experience smoother. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload documents for clients, share them securely, and make the process as efficient as possible. The first thing you need to do is log into your SuiteDash account and head to the Client Portal area. From there, you'll navigate to the Documents section. This is where all the magic happens, where you can upload files for your clients to view, download, and complete. It's a straightforward setup, but let's take it a little deeper. Next, click on the Upload button. You'll then be prompted to select the file from your computer. SuiteDash supports various file formats, so whether it's a PDF, Word document, or Excel sheet, it'll handle it with ease. Once you've selected your file, click Open, and your document will be uploaded to the portal. Now, here's the cool part. You can give the document a title and a description, which is really helpful for your clients to understand exactly what they're supposed to do with it. You'll also want to assign this document to a specific client or group of clients. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're working with multiple clients on different tasks. The next thing is setting the document to be required for completion. This feature is great because it ensures your clients can't skip over important documents. You can also set a due date for when the document should be completed and returned. SuiteDash lets you make these documents part of the client's to-do list, keeping them on track. The fourth thing to keep in mind is document security. SuiteDash offers a secure platform, but you can also add a layer of protection by enabling document passwords or restricting access. This is especially important if you're sharing sensitive information. Lastly, after uploading, you can track the progress of the document completion. SuiteDash allows you to view whether the document has been viewed, completed, or needs attention. You'll receive notifications when your clients take action, so you're always in the loop. Now, you might be wondering if SuiteDash is the best option for document uploads, and while it's a solid tool, there are alternatives that might suit your needs better, especially if document management is your main focus. I'm going to link to a couple of other platforms in the description that offer free trials, and depending on your goals, they might be a better fit. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial of SuiteDash, so you can test out all these features yourself. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the alternatives as well. Each has its own unique benefits and free trials, and you might find that one of them is exactly what you need to get documents signed and completed faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that link for the best free trial offers and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.